Hey guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Montara III FG Event from Teva. This hiking shoe has a waterproof full grain leather upper. You've also got the waterproof Event membrane that seals out rain, puddles, and all those other wet elements. It's also got the Numentum hike technology, so that way your foot is kept extra stable on those challenging trails. The inside gives you a pig leather lining that gives it a really soft feel against the skin. You also have a dual density EVA sock liner that cushions the foot, puts a nice little pep in your step, plus you got that extra support too. Feels really good. There is the Aegis Antimicrobial Treatment as well, so that way your feet aren't smelling funky. We don't want that. I mean, maybe you do, but other people might not. The dual density EVA midsole has the Numentum technology, so you've got that extra stability. It's all going to be on top of a custom Vibram Megagrip outsole for traction and durability. Get ready to explore and have great shoes on your feet. It'll keep you going all day. They're from Teva.